Hi friends, welcome back. I'm doing another short little unboxing review video. This time I ordered some makeup from a new brand I haven't tried before. As far as I can tell, they're like kind of a small brand but like growing rapidly, and I think I recently saw the owner post something about being in a Vogue magazine or being mentioned in there, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I actually got this a little while ago. So it goes, I am just now getting to it. It's been like a few weeks since I got this package, but haven't been able to get to it until now. Also, look at this holographic bag it comes in. Isn't it awesome? I love that. But yeah, the brand is called Curst Kosmetics, and I just got a couple little things to like try out from them. If I like it, then I might, buy more from them. The thing that really caught my eye that they have, that I haven't seen a lot of other makeup brands do, is this like shimmery liquid eyeshadow thing. And it's really pretty. They have, I think, 3 or 4 different colors. I was kind of considering buying 2, but I was like, I shouldn't be spending this much money, so I only got 1. But if I like it, I'll probably get more. But yeah, I got 3 things from them, so I will be unboxing that today and trying them out and letting you know how I like it. I kind of have high hopes for it because I've seen other people's posts and stuff, and everybody seems to be pretty happy with them. They also have an affiliate program that you can join if you're, any kind of like social media person. And I actually have a code that you guys can use if you do decide to shop there. It's Vlada, which is my name, VLADA. That's the code. If you use that, you'll get 10% off. So yeah, check them out. Okay. Okay, I assume this is the receipt. Yeah, so I got the Paranormal Eyeshadow Palette. I got a lip potion, so like a lipstick. I also kind of wanted to try that out. It seems cool. Lip potion Hex and spellcasting multi-chrome liquid eyeshadow Enchantment. Okay. Oh, cool. Comes with a little card with like a discount code and their social medias and stuff. Ooh, I love how it's packaged. It's really cute. So, okay, there's a little like info card about how to use the lipstick. That's cool. Liquid to matte lipsticks can be tricky, so we have some tips for the most flawless application. That's cool. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so this is the liquid eyeshadow. It came in this also cute little holographic bag. And then this, I assume, is the palette. It's wrapped up in this black tissue paper with a little thank you sticker on it, so that's cool. Kind of want to open the palette first, so let's do that. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. Comes bubble wrapped. This is really pretty. This is like a cute little designed palette. And oh, that's cool. It slips out of this little box. Interesting. It's cute. I like the design. I like all the holographic themes and stuff. Ooh, okay. These are really pretty. I'm really excited to try these out. So the colors on here are White Noise, Haunted, Evidence, Echovox, Paranormal, EVP, Bump, Entity, Rec, Portal, oh my god, or OMG, and Night Vision. I like those names. This is the Paranormal palette, so they kind of named the colors appropriately. And it comes with a little mirror too. That's nice. It's a pretty good mirror. Okay, and I'm just gonna open this real quick. So I think this is the eyeshadow and the lip potion. Yes, looks like it. Alright, that is what the liquid eyeshadow looks like. Let me open the box. Ooh, see? Okay, look how pretty that is. I had to try it out. I really like how this kind of like changes colors and stuff depending on like the lighting and everything. So that's really cool. I'm excited to try this out. And this is the lip potion. Nyeh. Come on. Come on. It's like kind of stuck in there. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay, wow, that is a very tight box. Ooh, look at the packaging. I really like the kind of attention to detail they put in the designs of everything. I love this spooky, dark aesthetic. This is really cute. Oh, okay. What should I start with? I'm just gonna do the lip potion. Let's do that. All right. Ooh, okay, so I bought this really pretty purple color because it's spooky and I love purple and, well, yeah. I had to try it. Okay. Ooh, that color is so pretty. Wow. Smells pretty neutral, doesn't really smell like much. Wow. Wow. I love this color. Oof. Oof. It looks almost more pink on the screen right now than it does in real life. Interesting. But yeah, it's definitely more purpley. I don't know how accurate the color is on the screen, but I really, really like it. It's super pretty. I wonder how it'll dry and how that'll feel. We'll see. Meanwhile, I will keep going. I guess I'm gonna try... So, okay, so since both of my next products are eye products, I think I will do the liquid eyeshadow on my actual eyes and then do these, swatch these on my arm. Okay, so this is what the first four colors, the top four colors look like. So it's like a white shimmery kind of color. Then it's a very light purple. I kind of wish that purple was a little bit darker, but you know, you can always layer it. Then it's like a kind of like a teal, like a greenish bluish color, and then an orange color. Yeah, I do wish some of them were a little darker, but they're cute. Okay, so here are the next four colors: Paranormal Black, EVP Yellow, Bump, kind of like a neutral color, and Entity. So I don't know how well you can see that, but that last color is actually really pretty and shimmery, and I really, really like how it looks. It's very like subtle. I feel like it would be good like highlight, but it's really pretty. The bump color in the middle is like very, very neutral kind of nude color, so I feel like that would be more for like subtle kind of shading, I guess, but it doesn't stand out really. The black and yellow are cool. I don't have too much to say about them. Oh my god, okay, so the last four are glittery. They are Rec Red, Portal, OMG, and Night Vision, and they're really pretty. Look how glittery they are. I feel like it's not showing you as well, but yeah, you can kind of see it there. I really like the purple shimmery color. It's very pretty. Kind of matches my lip color actually. But yeah, these ones you can't really, I feel like, drag them. You kind of have to like stipple them on to like pack it on and like layer it and stuff. But they're very, very pretty. These are really, really cute colors, honestly, for just like if you don't have, I don't know, a rainbow palette, but you like these kind of colors and you see yourself using these more than others, I feel like this would be a really nice palette to have and to start with even. Because yeah, it has some neutral colors, it has black, and then it has the glittery colors. It's a really nice mix of different eyeshadows. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, let's try the liquid eyeshadow. Oh, wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. Are you kidding me? Oh god, I just want to put this all over my entire face, dude. This is so pretty. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Again, I feel like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's very, very pretty, like blue, purpley, pinkish kind of like color fade. Okay, wow. I am absolutely in love with this color. It's so pretty. I love the color changing. I love stuff like this. I've never owned anything like this, so I'm obsessed. Kind of went a little overboard, and I feel like did a little too much, but it's okay. This is just to show you what it looks like. But it's so freaking pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I really love it. And yeah, would definitely recommend. Okay, so I did notice it's like a little bit streaky when you put it on, but keep in mind I didn't use any primer or anything like that, or like foundation or cover up or anything. I just put it on like my bare skin, and I think that would really help a lot. But honestly, like even if you don't use primer or anything, if you just like let it dry a little bit and layer it on again, then you can fill up all the spots that it might have missed earlier. And it is a gorgeous, wow. I cannot stop looking at it. It's so pretty. Let me swatch it on my hand also so you can compare it to the eyeshadow colors. Woo! It's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty! Look at it! Oh! I love it. I love it, I love it. I cannot wait to do some looks with all of these, and I'm really excited now. I really like everything I've tried so far, so very happy with this brand. I do definitely see myself getting more from them in the future now that I've tried this. I kind of want the other liquid eyeshadow ones, like I want all of them now because it's so pretty. Yeah, I really like it. Oh my god, I cannot stop looking at the shimmery colors. It's so pretty. It changes from like a purple to like a greenish bluish. It's just gorgeous. I freaking love it. Also, that's not too dissimilar from the Buy flag, and it is Pride Month, so happy Pride Month. So love that. Maybe I'll use it for a look or something this month. But yeah, that is everything I got. As you can probably tell, I'm really happy with it. I definitely 100% recommending this brand if you wanted to try out a new spooky, dark kind of makeup brand. This is probably gonna be my last kind of like review unboxing video for a little bit because I need to save some money and not buy things, but I will definitely be doing more makeup looks and everything soon, so hope you guys are excited for that. And definitely gonna be using this in my looks for sure. It's so pretty. I just cannot not use it. Shout out to Curst Kosmetics. I really like them. I am happy for them. It seems like the owner is pretty cool too. I like supporting, you know, kind of smaller brands or creators or artists, and so far I have no complaints, so 2 thumbs up. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you have any questions or comments or anything, leave a comment and I will answer it. Check out the brand. If you want to get something from them, use my code VLADA, VLADA, for 10% off. And yeah, if you do try them out, or if you've tried them before already, let me know how you like them, what you thought of them. If you aren't subscribed yet, I'm an artist and I do a little bit of everything. I dye my hair, I do makeup, I cosplay, I make fairy wings, and yeah, I just make things. If you like any of that, check out my videos and hit subscribe to support me. And I got a new tattoo. Kind of wanted to end the video with that because I freaking love it and I wanted to share that. I actually did kind of record like a mini vlog. I obviously haven't released it or anything. I might still later, we'll see. But it's really itchy and peeling right now, but it's so pretty and I love it and I'm very happy with it. I might do a little tattoo tour soon too, we'll see. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do that. But anyway, yeah, here's Maymao. Isn't he the cutest? Oh my gosh, sweet baby. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. By the way, I totally forgot to add, but this lipstick is matte and smudge proof, and it does not come off. Nothing. That's a little bit of eyeshadow left on from my swatching, but yeah, like, okay, look. This, which finger's clean? This finger, okay. Nothing. Ah! Amazing. Magic. And so